Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related to magnetic field and magnetic field lines, or simply which we say as field lines. What is actually first magnetic field? Magnetic field, as I have pasted here, the space or region around a magnet. It is not only magnet, it is but a current carrying conductor. You can also say a current carrying conductor. Because in this very lecture you will get aware that once there is movement of current, there is production of magnetic field. So first, the space or region around a magnet or current carrying conductor within which its influence, that is the force, can be felt by another magnet is called as magnetic field. For example, if we are having here as a magnet, which I will take, let this be the bar magnet. It is having north pole, it is having south pole, and if I will take this as a region, this is the region. Within this very region, if I will take a magnet, I will take some iron pieces or I will take something else, then those will be attracted towards the respective poles. But if I am having something outside this very region, then that is not attracted. If I am having some iron piece here, 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 then those will not be attracted. Then this, within this very region, we can say this is the magnetic field. This is the region, and up to which the influence of this very bar magnet, which we have taken into consideration, is felt. That is called as what? Magnetic field. Now I have another uh, heading here I have pasted, that is magnetic field line. What is magnetic field line? Now if you are going to take a bar magnet, as lastly we are aware of, now I will make here another. This is a bar magnet. This bar magnet is having what? It is having two regions, which is called, one is called as north pole and it is called as the south pole. And it has been found that there are the field lines. What are field lines? What are magnetic field lines? A magnetic field line is an imaginary curve such that tangent to that very curve, these are like this. This is a magnetic field line. This is a magnetic field line. This is a magnetic field line. You can have many more. These are the magnetic field lines. So the direction of these very magnetic field lines, as we are going to read about their properties. So if we are having this as a bar magnet, now this very bar magnet is having two poles. One is called as the north pole and it's called as the south pole. So within this very bar magnet, we are having the magnetic field, and that is called as a uniform magnetic field. What is a uniform magnetic field? Or magnetic, a field is said to be uniform magnetic field if the magnitude as well as direction at every point is same. Here, here, the magnitude is same everywhere. Like this, it is represented by equispaced parallel lines. Equispaced parallel lines gives us what? The concept of uniform magnetic field. And for non-uniform magnetic field outside, some lines go in this very direction, some curves go in this very direction. So outside you are having a non-uniform magnetic field. Here the intensity of magnetic field is very large. Here the intensity of magnetic field is very large. But as you move away from the poles, here the intensity is very small. Here there will not be so much attractiveness of this very magnetic field. Now what is magnetic field line? This is the magnetic field line. This is a magnetic field line's imaginary curve. It is an imaginary curve such that tangent, if we are going to draw tangent is the line touching the curve at one point. If I will draw here as a tangent in this very direction, or here in this very direction, at any point I have drawn tangent here, such that the tangent to curve at any point on it gives direction of magnetic field. So if you have to find out here the direction of magnetic field, it is like this. If you have to find the direction of magnetic field here, it is like this. If you have to find out direction of magnetic field, it's like this. So if you have to find direction of magnetic field, it's like this. So outside this very bar magnet, you are having different direction at different points. But within this very bar magnet, here, anywhere, the magnitude as well as direction is same. That's why this is called as a uniform magnetic field. And outside, this is called as non-uniform magnetic field. And moreover, what you are going to understand, as there are so many properties of this very properties of magnetic field lines, as we have discussed properties of magnetic field lines. One of the properties that you have to understand, that these very magnetic lines, they arise from south. Inside the bar magnet, they go from south to north, but outside, inside, inside bar magnet, bar magnet, they move from south to north, and outside from north to south. There is one other problem, that's two magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines, they never intersect, because here you are having one direction. This, if it is going to, if two magnetic field lines, this is one magnetic field line, this another magnetic field, if they intersect at this very point, just draw a curve, this is the direction. Just draw a tangent to this very curve, this is the direction. So at this very point we are having two directions, which is not possible, because at this very point we should have only one direction. So two magnetic field lines never intersect. Why? Because at the point of intersection there will be two directions, which is not possible. Now the strength will depend upon the closeness of the magnetic field lines. Here in this very region it is a strong magnetic field, but if you will take this very region, here it will be weak magnetic field. Why weak? Because the lines are a bit far as compared to here. They are very much close here, but here they are far from each other. So the magnetic field lines are continuous or closed loops. They are directed from south north within the magnetic field, and outside they are directed from north to south, so they are closed loops. So these were some properties of these three magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines, once again I will say, they start from south to north within the bar magnet, outside they go from north to south. And the two magnetic field lines, they are never going to intersect, because if at the point of intersection, if they are going to intersect, then at the point of intersection, if two magnetic field lines intersect, then at the point of intersection there will be two directions, which is not possible. How there will be two directions? We have to draw it tangent to the curve where they are going to intersect. There will be two directions, and after it, you have to understand that the strength, the magnetic field lines, where they are very much close to each other, there will be a strong magnetic field. Where there is a gap between the lines, there is a weak magnetic field. This is all for today. Tomorrow we'll be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.